Welcome to Advanblack's YouTube channel. I'm Steve, the service technician for Advanblack. Today, we got our brand new Holeshot saddlebags that are going to be going on the Lowrider S back here. Now, maybe you've caught my video in the past, and if you haven't, I'll put a link down in the description down below where I showed you how you could mount standard touring bags, lids, and hardware on a lowrider. Today we're going to be taking off these standard touring bags and we're going to be putting on the Holeshot bags. Now those are the Shorty Performance style bagger kit that we have, and I'll put a link to the description to that video as well if you want to do that whole setup on a touring bike. If you want to learn how to set up your Softail to run touring style bags, and this goes for the Lowrider S, and the Street Bob as well, you can watch my video on those, and it shows you how to set up the saddlebag rails, and it talks about the exhaust issues and also how to relocate your rear turn signals, all that stuff. So all that stuff still has to be done to run these bags. Now this bike's already set up for that, so I'm not going to be able to show you that, so watch that other video. Today I'm just going to be taking this bag off. I'm going to show you how to swap over your lids and your hardware over to the Holeshot bags, and then we're going to put them back on. And we got the brand new Holeshot saddlebags here. As you can see, it is cut in on the sides and also on the rear. It's going to be a little bit shorter bag than your standard Harley touring bag, plus it has the Holeshot exclusive design on the side. And like always, like I said, you can get this color matched to your bike. Let's get our old saddlebag up here and start taking the lid and the hardware off, and we'll transfer it over to the new bag, throw it on the bike, and we'll see what it looks like. So there's a few things on our saddlebags that we need. We need these latches right here, these hooks, and we need to take out 4 screws in here to remove the lid and the one-touch hardware away from this bag. So we would just go ahead and start by taking these out. We're gonna move right down here to the hinge. We got 2 screws in the tether. We pull the tether back and we have 2 more screws right in the middle. So basically it's going to go back together the same way we took it apart, but we are going to use some Loctite 243. It doesn't matter if you use the Loctite brand, but you are going to need some medium strength thread locker. We're going to put just a dab on every one of those screws that we took out. Going to flip our lid up on its edge, hold this up on here. I don't know if you'll be able to see me doing this on camera, but I'll turn it sideways. We're just going to line that hole up. Just going to loosely get our 2 middle ones started. Now once you get those started, because there is a little bit of play in your hinge, you can look down in here and make sure that they're pretty well lined up over the holes. If you like the way those look, go ahead and tighten up the 2 middle ones. Take our outside 2 tether screws, go through the tether. Go ahead and tighten those down. So now this saddlebag is ready to go back on the bike. I'm going to cut the camera, repeat the process on the other side, and we'll take a look at it. If you're interested in seeing real quick what the Softail saddlebag rail setup looks like, this is what it looks like. It's going to mount here behind your rear passenger peg mount, come back, come up, and go up here underneath your docking. And whether or not you're running a backrest like this or other components, you will have to look through the hardware to see exactly what you're going to need. Make sure to watch that video if you're wanting to do saddlebags on your Softail. So that's it. Like I said, super easy install. Definitely something you can do at home. It's just a few screws that you want to take out of that saddlebag, transfer your lid over. Now, like I said, if you don't already have hard bags on your Softail, make sure to check out the video where I installed those saddlebag rails. And like I said, you'll have to order everything. You'll have to do the saddlebag, the lid, and the one-touch hardware. The one-touch hardware includes your lever, your hinges, your keys, everything. So if you want to get your hands on one of these, make sure to check out the link down below. I hope this video helped you, but I'm going to get myself out of here and get cleaned up. I hope to see you in the next video, but until then, as always, be safe.